Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ashwagandha milk. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder, and your preferred sweetener like honey or maple syrup. You'll also need a small saucepan and a whisk. This simple recipe takes just a few minutes to prepare, making it perfect for a quick, soothing drink. To begin, pour 1 cup of your chosen milk into a small saucepan. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder directly into the milk. Whisk the mixture thoroughly until the powder is fully dissolved and there are no clumps. This ensures a smooth and consistent texture for your drink. Keep stirring gently as you move to the next step. Now place the saucepan over medium-low heat. Gently warm the milk mixture, stirring occasionally, but be careful not to let it boil. A gentle simmer is perfect. Once it's warm, remove it from the heat. Stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of your chosen sweetener, adjusting to your personal preference for a perfectly balanced taste. Ashwagandha milk is a wonderful way to incorporate this adaptogenic herb into your routine, known for supporting stress reduction and promoting relaxation. Enjoy this warm, comforting drink, perhaps before bedtime, to help unwind after a long day. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.